Hey guys, Wakas here. Can't find battery health on your iPhone? Or maybe you open the battery settings, but the battery health and charging option is completely missing, or the information simply isn't loading. If this started after an iOS update, don't panic. There are a few things you can check before assuming there's a serious problem with your iPhone. So in this video, I'll show you the main fixes you should try. First, check where battery health is located. Open settings, then tap battery. Now look for battery health and charging. If you see it, open it and check whether the battery information is available. If the option isn't there, let's move to the next step. Check your iPhone model and iOS version. Go to Settings, General, then About. Check your iPhone model and then go back to General, Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest available version of iOS for your device. If an update is available, install it. Then restart your iPhone and check the battery settings again. Next, restart your iPhone. It sounds simple, but if battery health isn't loading correctly because of a temporary software problem, a restart can sometimes clear the issue. Turn your iPhone off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Then go back to Settings, Battery, and check again. Now, if you're using an iPhone with a replaced battery, there's something important you should know. If the battery isn't a genuine Apple battery or the replacement wasn't properly verified by the device, you may see a message saying that the iPhone cannot verify the battery. Depending on the model and repair history, some battery information may also be unavailable or inaccurate. So if this problem started after a battery replacement, that's definitely something to consider. Now check for a battery service message. Go to Settings, Battery, and look carefully for any warning or message related to your battery. If your iPhone says that the battery needs service or you see an important battery message, don't ignore it. And if battery health is still completely missing, even after restarting and updating your iPhone, there could be a problem with the battery information being reported by the device. This is especially worth checking if you've also noticed unexpected shutdowns, very fast battery drain, charging problems, or unusual battery percentage changes. At this point, I wouldn't recommend trying random third-party apps or tools that claim they can magically repair battery health. They may show battery information, but they can't physically restore a worn-out battery. If the problem continues, the safest option is to have the iPhone checked by Apple or an authorized service provider. They can determine whether the issue is software related or whether the battery or another internal component needs attention. So, if battery health isn't showing on your iPhone, start with these steps. Check settings arrow, battery. Restart your iPhone. Install the latest available iOS update. Check for battery warnings and consider whether the battery was recently replaced. If the problem still doesn't go away, get the device professionally checked. And remember, if your iPhone is working normally but the battery health information is temporarily missing, don't panic. It doesn't automatically mean your battery is dead. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more simple iPhone tips and fixes. I'm Bakas, and I'll see you in the next one.